Čuljak, two sisters whose zest for life helped them triumph over their horrifying ordeal. Holly Galanders has their story.
Splendid week with Elsa.
Spend a week with the Čuljak sisters and just try to keep up. If it's not biking, then it's working out. If it's not dancing, then it's scuba diving.
That was excellent. What are you going to wear tonight?
A mini skirt and a jacket.
And tonight's no different. Both Šima and her younger sister Draga are on the go once again. This time they're getting ready for a big night on the town.
Okay. And these boots?
Down.
Let's right.
15 years ago, nobody thought these women would ever go out for a night of dancing again, let alone lead a normal life.
Back in 1985, we got lost in a winter storm and we spent 7 days in a snowstorm without food or we just ate snow. And we were poorly dressed, just in jeans and jean jackets. And temperature was like minus 27. We got frostbite in our legs, and our legs need to be amputated. And this was all in the news all over Yugoslavia.
After several months of rehabilitation, armed with a positive attitude, the sisters adjusted to their new life.
Okay.
In 1990, Šima moved from Bosnia to Canada.
Don't shake the bed. You can't do that when I'm painting my toenails.
And 3 years later, Draga followed.
So we both have 3 sets of legs. One are flat shoes that we use for exercise and walking. When I come from work, I take off my other one and I put this on. These are like relaxing legs. They also have swimming legs. And of course, my favorite ones are high heel legs that we use for everyday work. We like to dress up nicely, and when we go out dancing, I wear 3-inch high heels.
3-inch heel.
So we always wear nice, expensive nylons, even in the summertime, and we like to paint our toes in nice colors, and we always get complimented we have
Good legs.
The sisters love to go dancing, and most people don't realize they're wearing prosthetics.
The situation that, people told me, like, okay, you have the best legs, without knowing that I don't have legs, they are official legs. We make sure that we, when we made them, that they are properly, shaped properly, so they look nice.
Draga, the mother of a 12-year-old son, is a technical support analyst by day. But in her off time, you might just find her at the gym in her apartment building.
Usually I wear shorts in a house, but when I come downstairs, I wear long pants because I like to see covered my waist. I exercise every day for 30 minutes. At least I try it every day.
For Šima, who works in accounting for the war ants, burning some rubber with husband Mile is more her speed.
It's such a freedom riding on a motorcycle. I love it. And maybe next year I will try to learn myself. It will be maybe difficult. I don't see myself as, disabled. When people around us, they forget, we sometimes joke, like, oh, my feet are freezing or something, and, they forget because, we don't really, when we walk. We behave normally, so they see us normal,
If dancing and working out and biking aren't enough, well, the sisters have found a new hobby, scuba diving.
These are my scuba diving legs. They're especially made for scuba diving because the foot can come down and can be locked in to spin on, so it stays in this position, be properly pinned. These ones are very expensive. They're like around $11,000.
has undoubtedly taken its toll, the sisters have developed a new appreciation for life.
There is life after. You know, life doesn't end there. You know, so there's all kinds of prostheses and for all kinds of activities that you can, you know, use. You can do whatever you were doing before.
Since we didn't die, and now we had a second chance in life, so we want to experience more and see more and do more than we would, you know, you never think about. But life is too short and I have not enough time to do all this.
Wow, what a great example to all of us.